Portable small size. With the compact thumb-size design, this USB charger is suitable for most vehicles with 12 volts, 24 volts sockets. Dual-port fast charger. The 20W PD and QC3. 0 dual-port design can greatly meet the charging needs of different types of mobile electronic devices. The blue LED light ring allows you to find the charging port in dim light. USB Quick Charge 3. 0. QC3. 0 is 4 times more efficient than traditional chargers, 38% more efficient. The power is up to 18 W. Compatible with all USB connection types. Type-C power delivery. The car phone charger can dynamically negotiate the power output through the USB Type-C connection, which can safely and effectively charge various compatible devices with a power of up to 20 W. The attached Type-C to Type-C cable is for Android phones and USB-C tablets etc. Wide compatibility. Compatible with iPhone 12 12ths mini, 12 Pro, 11 11ths Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, by 8 8ths Plus, 7 7ths Plus, 6 6ths S, 6S Plus, 5 5ths S, SE, iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Air, AirPods Pro, Samsung Galaxy S21, S20, S10, S10e, S10 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S7 Edge, S6 Edge, S6 Edge Plus, Note 20/20 Ultra, 9, 8/7, 5/4, 3 etc. Top reviews from the United States. Powers my Apple MagSafe in my car. It stays in the socket, it has not drained my battery, it powers my Apple MagSafe charger just fine. The MagSafe is in a RAM mount adapter.